welcome to YouTube. Today we're about to dive into something truly special, a machine that continues to define what a supercar should be, year after year. The legend has returned, and this time it's sharper, faster, and smarter than ever before. This is the 2026 Porsche 911 Turbo. From the moment you look at it, you know this isn't just a car, it's an icon. The shape is instantly recognizable, yet somehow fresh. Porsche has managed to evolve the timeless 911 silhouette once again. With subtle but powerful design, cues that tell you everything. You need to know this car means business. The front bumper is more aggressive. The side intakes are larger, and the rear end is now dominated by a wider LED light strip inactive. Aero enhancements that change depending on your speed and driving mode. Underneath that sculpted rear deck lies the heart of the beast, a re-engineered 3.8-liter twin-turbo flat-six engine. In the 2026 model, it delivers a jaw-dropping 590 horsepower and 590 lb-ft of torque. That's enough to launch the 911 Turbo from 0 to 60 in just 2.5 seconds. But it's not just about raw power, it's how Porsche delivers it. The power curve is smoother, more linear, and more addicting than ever before. Mated to Porsche's legendary 8-speed PDK dual-clutch transmission, gear changes are lightning fast and buttery smooth. And thanks to Porsche's refined all-wheel drive system, traction is never a question. Whether you're carving through mountain passes or launching off the line, the car sticks to the road like glue. But what truly sets the 911 Turbo apart is the way it makes you feel behind the wheel. The steering is perfectly weighted and razor-sharp, giving you a sense of connection that most modern cars have lost. Porsche's engineers have fine-tuned the chassis with adaptive dampers, dynamic engine mounts, and active anti-roll bars. The result? A driving experience that feels both surgical and soulful. Inside the cabin is a blend of tradition and innovation. You're greeted by a fully digital curved display, alongside classic analog touches that nod to Porsche's heritage. The seats are wrapped in premium leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber, built for comfort on the road and support on the track. The driving position is low and centered, putting everything right where you need it. There's also a new voice assistant and improved infotainment system, seamlessly integrating with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and over-the-air updates. And let's not forget the tech that makes it not just faster but smarter. New for 2026, Porsche introduces a suite of intelligent systems, including adaptive cruise, lane keeping, and a performance telemetry system that lets you analyze your lap times and driving lines in real time. There's even an optional night vision system, just in case the road ahead disappears into the dark. But don't mistake this for a soft supercar. This is still a 911 Turbo. It's unapologetically focused, thrilling, and precise. Whether you're pushing it to its limits or cruising comfortably at highway speeds, it delivers confidence and control in every gear. And that's the magic of the 911 Turbo. It's not just a weekend toy. It's a usable, daily drivable supercar that doesn't compromise. It has back seats for your kids, a trunk big enough for luggage, and a level of refinement that rivals luxury sedans, all while offering supercar performance that can outpace much more expensive, flashier exotics. Porsche's engineers haven't reinvented the wheel. They've perfected it. The 2026 911 Turbo isn't a revolution. It's the next step in a decades-long evolution of precision, power, and performance. It's the kind of car that turns heads without shouting. The kind of machine that earns your respect mile after mile. So if you've ever wondered what it feels like to drive something truly special, something with history, purpose, and engineering, excellence baked into every curve, the 2026 Porsche 911 Turbo is waiting for you. And trust me, once you get behind the wheel, you'll never look at driving the same way again. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.